Today we're gonna do this TryHackMe room challenge Anthem, exploit a Windows machine in the beginner level challenge. So I have already started the machine because it takes 5 minutes to boot and configure. I hope there's many things running behind the scene. So first of all, we're gonna copy the IP address and run a enumeration here. I'm gonna do sudo nmap. You can use nmap, also you can use rust scan. I'm gonna use both. Though it should give us the same result, but rust scan will give faster result. So far we have two open port 80 and 3389. 80 looks like HTTP. Let's go to the address, or you can give the port here with colon and 80. So we got our enumeration result from nmap and also rust scan. As usual, rust scan is always faster than the nmap. From the both result, you can see on 80 port there is a HTTP service running. Anthem.com title and HTTP robots.txt for disallowed entries. Okay, interesting. On 3389 port there is a MSWBT server running. Okay, and from the rust scan result we can see same thing, but it is elaborated here. Signature, public key, RSA. Okay, now let's go to the what port is the web server. It is 80, and for remote desktop services 3389. And what is a possible password in one of the pages web crawlers checked for? Fill in gaps. Okay, let's go to the robots.txt. I think this is the password we're looking for. Okay, let's copy this here. What CMS is website using? And if we go to the website and if we check with our web analyzer, okay, we can use CMS checker. Okay, we're gonna use git clone and paste the CMSeek. Get down and cd. We're gonna use next this one, pip3 install requirements. Pip3 install requirements. Okay, now we're gonna run python 3 massive. I'm gonna give this URL. Okay, looks like this is the CMS ID Umbraco. Yep, let's copy this. This is the CMS. Okay, what is the domain of the website? No, this is not. Oh, anthem.com. I think this is the domain. Yep, to What is the name of the administrator? Hint console the oracle dot the web search engine. Let's go through the website again. Okay, let's go to the IP address, then you can find this. And if we read this article, a chair store IT department, looks like this messages came from the administrator of the Anthem.com, I guess. As usual around here, no much I love writing poems. I decided to write one about him. So if we copy and search for Google, we're gonna get a name, Solomon Grande. Okay, looks like this is the name of the administrator. Okay, can I find the email address of the administrator? Okay, there is another email address on the website that should help us figure out the email pattern used by the administrator. Okay, and if we go back, read this article, we gonna have this email for Jane Doe author. The initials are there, so looks like for Solomon Grande we're gonna have SG. Okay, now spot the flags. To this task we are gonna use ZAP. It's OWASP ZAP. You can download here. I have already downloaded it. You can use the Linux installer, this one. So I've already downloaded, so I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna open this, copy to our CTF location, and if we ls, is it executable? No, so we're gonna make it executable. chmod +x and the file name ZAP. Now we're gonna execute Z. Okay, so what we can do, we're gonna use sudo here. If we go to the installer, no, let's check the application. I hope we can get something. Okay, got the ZAP, was ZAP. Let's start. URL to attack. Okay, we need the URL. We're gonna copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, attack. Okay, we only need the spider here. Let's search here for THM. It's gonna give us the flag. Second one, look for the next one here. Okay, got another one. Flag 3. That looks like this is the flag 4. Okay, again next. This is, I think this is flag 3. Okay, we got our flags here with the OWASP ZAP in spider mode. Searching for here THM. Okay, Now let's go to the next stage. Username and password. Password is this one, and for the username I think we're gonna have to use Solomon Grandi SG, and for remote desktop we're gonna use Remina. Before that, if we use this server, let's connect. Okay, we got connected, and to get connected you have to edit your host file and add the IP address, and this IP address with anthem.thm. Okay, anthem.thm, and you're gonna use Control O for writing, enter, and Control X exit. Okay, that's it. Therefore you can connect the RDP client. Okay, let's check the user. The user flag. Can we export the admin password? Okay, let's check. And we're gonna use the recent. Okay, restore. You do not have permission. See the owner of the file must obtain the permission. First of all, we're gonna open file location. Okay, backup, properties. Okay, now we can change. This is the admin password. Escalate your privileges to root. What is the contents of root.txt? Anthem.thm password. Okay, I got the root file here. Okay, I got the root flag. copy and paste. Okay, we have completed the Anthem room. I hope it helps you. Thank you everyone.